everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to find backup and reset option and enter reset phone. As you can see at the very top of the list we've got reset network settings option, so simply tap on it, and here if you've got any kind of screen lock you will have to confirm your step. So now just tap on reset network settings and wait a second. And as you can see, the network settings has been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your REALME GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.